Hi, my name is Dat, and this is my Sprint 2. As an admin, I want to create the faculty profile so that they will be displayed on the homepage. Acceptance criteria, faculty information displayed in the database, faculty information displayed in the homepage, the profile image stored in the uploads folder, faculty profile image displayed on the homepage. So I'm going to go to my website, and I already have one faculty pre-made. It shows on the homepage. If I go to the Manage Faculty page, it also shows that faculty here, and also that faculty is in the database. So now I'm going to go ahead and create a new faculty. And then I'll select a profile image, and I'll hit submit. And then the new faculty is shown in the Manage Faculty page with the profile image. And if I go to the home page, it is also shown in the faculty section. And also if I click on the website, it will link me to the website that I entered in earlier. And also in the database, it shows the new faculties. And also in the uploads folder, it shows the image. As an admin, I want to edit the faculty profile so that I can make any changes in the future. Acceptance criteria, changes to the faculty information reflect the information on the database. New profile image will replace the old image in the uploads folder. So I'm going to go back to the Manage Faculty, and then I'll edit this faculty. I'll put in a different URL, and then I'll change the profile image to this one, and I'll hit submit. And here all the new information has shown in the Manage Faculty page. And also if I refresh the database, all the new information also reflect onto the database. And if I go to the home page, scroll down to the faculty section, all the new information also show in the home page. And also if I click on the website, it will link me to the new website. As an admin, I want to delete faculty profiles so that I can remove them from the web page. Acceptance criteria, the faculty account is removed from the database. The faculty account no longer displayed in the Manage Faculty page. The faculty account is no longer displayed on the home page. So again, I'm going to go back to the Manage Faculty, and I'll delete this faculty. And then if I go to the database, the faculty has been removed. And also if I go to the uploads folder, that image has also been removed. And then if I go to the home page, the faculty has been removed. As an admin, I want to create announcements so that it can be shown on the home page. Acceptance criteria announcement display on the home page, announcement display on the Manage Announcement page. Homepage only display the first 4 latest announcements in stack order. Announcement post show the time it was created. So we'll go back to the homepage. Let's scroll down in the announcement section. The announcement, as you can see, I already made 4 announcements, and then it showed the time that it was created, and it also showed the latest announcement. So right now there's only 4 announcements. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new announcement. So now the new announcement shown in the Manage Announcement page. If I go to the home page, as you can see, it showed the latest announcement that was just posted, and with the time that it was created. And also if I go to the database and refresh, and here you can see that the new announcement also show on the database. As an admin, I want to attach file to the announcement so that any user can download it. Acceptance criteria file attachment display on the download sidebar. When the user click on the file, a new page will display that file. So earlier I attached a file to the announcement 5, so now I can click on the announcement 5 to see more detail. So I'll click on that announcement, and you can see the it still has the announcement title, the description, the date, and also the author. And on the sidebar, download sidebar, there's the attached file that I upload earlier, so I can click on that and it will show that file attachment, and that file attachment also show in the uploads folder right here. As a public user, I want to receive verification token to my email so that I can verify my account. Acceptance criteria, random token generated when the user sign up. Token sent to the user's email. User can click on the verification URL to verify. User account verification status change to true once they click on the verification URL. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the sign up page, and I'll enter in my email with some password. Oh, looked like the account was already created, so I'll remove that account and I'll try again. Here I get the verification page. The verification token is sent to your email. So now I'm going to go to, actually in the database, if I refresh, as you can see, the new account is shown here, and the verification is false at this point. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to my email, and then here I received the email for the verification token, and the verification token was generated randomly. So if I click on this URL, it will verify my account and will let me know that my registration is complete. And if I refresh the database, the verification is now set to true. And that's it for my Sprint 2. Thank you for listening.